Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can add your own logo to your video in CapCut PC. Alright, so select your video you want to edit. Very simple. Just drag to the right and prepare your logo. I'm just going to add my logo. Just drag and put on top the video just for duration in the sunlight. And I'm just going to select for the aspect ratio. So select the logo. This is the logo overlay, and you can adjust for the scale and adjust for the position. You can also blend. Let's go to basic. Select mode of blend to brighten screen. Right. Darken overlay. Just for the opacity. Alright. Here we go. That's how you can add your own logo to your video in CapCut PC. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. Thank you so much for watching.